Greetings, M squared here with a tutorial on how to find the length of an arc. Not the degree of an arc, the length of an arc. The formula is arc length equals the degree of the arc divided by 360 times 2 pi r. You might recognize this 2 pi r as the circumference. Remember, the circumference is all the way around, and I'm just trying to find part of the way around. So I take the circumference and multiply it by the part of the circle, the percentage of the circle that I have. That's kind of what this is. So keep that in mind as we're going through these. So pretend that's not there for a minute. If I know this is 70 and this is 75, and I'm trying to find the length of arc AEC, I would add those up. See it on my calculator? Subtract it from 360, subtract 70, subtract 75, I get 215. So now the length of this arc is 215. And I put that over 360, and then I multiply it by 2 times pi times r, and in this case r is 4. So you could do that all in your calculator. You can say 215 times 2 times pi times 4 divided by 360. If you have a calculator like this, it's easy to do it all at once. And we find that it is 15 point. I think that most of the time in the book they wanted you to round to the nearest hundredths, which is the second place. So it would be 15.01 because that 9 tells us to move the hundredths place up one. So that's the approximate length of arc AEC. Moving on to the next one, we're trying to find arc XZ. So we already have our central angle, and our central angle is equal to the intercepted arc. So we're going to have 145 over 360 times 2 pi r. In this case, r is 5. So once again, we put that all in our calculator. 145 times 2 times pi times 5 divided by 360. And we get approximately 12.65 because the 3 tells us to leave the 5 right where it was. Okay, on to this one. We're trying to find arc DB, the length of arc DB. Once again, we don't have that, so we have to find it. So we take 360 and we minus the 2 arcs that we do have, which are 130 and 80, and we get 150. We divide that by 360, and we times it by 2 times pi times 4. So we take 150 times 2 times pi times 4 and divide it by 360, and we get approximately 10.47. The 1 tells us to keep the 7 the same. And that is how you find the length of an arc using degrees. And this is M squared signing out.